Hello everybody. So are you having a great weekend? We are making chicken on a stick. These are the ingredients for it. I'm going to tell you them in a minute. So these are the ingredients. Chicken, eggs, flour, sesame seeds mixed up with breadcrumbs. And we made skewers. So we're going to slice our chicken. Abracadabra, cut! We already sliced the chicken. It has to be this size. Now let's put everything in the bowl. Now we're mixing it. You have to mix it with your hands. If your hands get dirty, you can just wash them. If you have a sink. So this is how. Now you have to put skewers for your meat. If you don't put skewers, then it's just gonna get over. It's not gonna be chicken on a stick. Cause why no chicken? Now let's go. We're gonna put some flowers in it. Ready? Hot dog and bologna. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Chillin' with my homie. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna. Chillin' with my. We're done breading the chicken. In time, I'm gonna mix my sauce. The sauce, here we go. So this is us mixing the sauce. This is how it looks like now. Nice and white. Tastes good. Now the oil of the fry is heated up. Let's add in the chicken. Ready? Steady, go. My chicken looks gold, crispy, and delicious. Let's taste it. It's delicious. Thumbs up for that. Thank you all for watching. Press the like button down below and the notifications. Hope you like my video. Bye bye.